Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And me and Dylan are actually heading to Whistler right now, which is why I'm not in my bedroom. And I'm hopefully gonna get some good photos of the scenery, but so far I haven't had any luck, so we'll see. We are officially in Whistler. We just got to the hotel suite. I'm about to get ready for dinner. All ready for dinner. This is the dinner look. And the makeup. But yeah, we're gonna head out for dinner now and meet up with Dylan's co-workers. So yeah. So we just got back from dinner. We went to Earl's and I had some short rib and now I'm super full. And we went to an escape room, but you're not allowed to have phones or cameras in there, so I couldn't get any footage. But we just finished showering and now we're gonna go hang out with some people upstairs. And yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later. Sorry, I have not been vlogging as much as I should. It's super awkward to vlog with people who you barely know. Okay, hey guys, so it's day 2 and I slept in, woke up to eat breakfast and then fell right back asleep. But I'm gonna go out now and I'm gonna do some shopping and then you guys are obviously going to be coming along and I'm actually gonna show things this time. And then I believe I have like an hour-ish, just grabbing some socks. I believe I have like an hour to shop and then I have to go to the movie theaters. I'm gonna be seeing the new Nutcracker movie later on with everyone, and then at 5-ish I'm gonna go to the spa and get a massage with Christy. And as I keep going out of frame to put my socks on, and then yeah, so let's just get going. So great news, it's raining. I do not have a hooded jacket or an umbrella, so I'm gonna walk real quick. I'm gonna go down there and see if I can find like a gourmet food store or something. I want to make like some kind of appetizer and then like also find something to bring home. That would be fun. And you know I like food, so far I've only found a lot of restaurants. Okay, let's hope we can find some food stores that aren't shoppers. I've only been able to find gift shops and like 10,000 restaurants. I haven't found one food store. I had to ask somebody for directions because I cannot find one. They pointed me in this direction, but she used an example and she said KFC, and I don't want KFC, so I'm hoping there's actual grocery stores. But she said there's an IPA, which I don't know what that is. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not like a regular grocery store. Also, I just got texted. Lunch is at 12:30 and it's 12, so I'm running out of time. So, change of plans. I was gonna try to make like an appetizer because we have a kitchen in our suite, but I couldn't find any. But I found a cute bread place and they had a lot of different like snacks and stuff, so I just bought a few of them and then maybe I'll go and see if I can find anything else. So yeah, let's continue this journey. Oh, those look really good. I don't need 3 though. So 3 of the same. Okay, so let's still try to make an appetizer. So I got some fresh mozzarella and I saw, where is it? Oh, some roasted red peppers. Let's get one of those. And then let's find some bread, which I was just at a bread store. But it's so far away now and I don't want to go back. Look at all these fancy juices. I don't even drink juice, but I want one. I won't get one because I don't like juice. Okay, so I got some bread, some wild smoked salmon, some roasted red peppers, the mozzarella bread, and these leek tarts, which I might take home.
Gem City Sushi.
Okay. I'll look.
Sir, what am I?
Oh, you're my best friend. All we gotta do is find a part to fix your game. Everything goes back to the way it was.
Hey guys, so basically I just got back from the theater. We saw the new Disney Nutcracker. It was okay. And now I have a couple hours to kill before the spa. I think I'm really just gonna chill here for a bit. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I went for lunch with Christy and her friend, and that was a lot of fun. And I forget the name of the place that we went. I don't know, but I had a burger and it was delicious. Now it is. Okay, so we're heading to the spa now. You have to walk up a pathway to find the building. We're at the spa, but unfortunately we can't take phones out of the locker room. So see you guys afterwards. Okay, so I just got back from the spa and dinner, and we were not allowed to film in the spa. So basically, I'm gonna tell you what happened. They had a whole bunch of little pools, and there were like some that were like hot tubs, and you would sit in those for like 10 minutes, and then you would go into like an ice bath for 10 seconds, and then rest for 10 minutes, and then you keep doing that over and over and over again. I did not do that. I went in the hot tub mostly, but I also sat down, and then there were saunas and steam rooms, and steam rooms were not for me because the smell was not something I liked. So I was only in there for like a minute. The sauna, it was good. I was in there for like 10 minutes before I was like, get me out of here. I'm like sweating to death and I feel like the room is closing in. So we just went back and forth between those, and then we went for massages, and the first like 5 minutes was super tense, and then I got super relaxing once I started breathing, and then after about 2 minutes I fell asleep through the whole thing. And then yeah, we just got ready for dinner, and then we went back to Earl's, had dinner, and now I'm back in my hotel room, and Dylan is in the other room, but we're just pretty much done for the night. I don't think there's much planned tomorrow, so I might just walk around the village again and see what I can see. And yeah, that was pretty much it for the night. We didn't eat any of the food yet because we're so full from dinner. Hey guys, it's the last day of the weekend, and we're supposed to go for lunch later on with everybody, but I'm just packing up because I'm supposed to be out of the hotel in like 15 minutes out of this room. And then I think afterwards I might just walk around the village a bit more with Dylan because we haven't done it yet. I have, but he hasn't. I think we'll just head out after that. I don't know what else, unless he wants to do something else, but I'll keep you guys posted.
Salmon burger with poutine. Okay, and the chicken fingers.
So we just finished eating lunch, and then me and Dylan went to the grocery store again because I wanted to get some last treats before we head out, and now we're heading home. So that's pretty much the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and if you want to see more vlogs, just let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Why you talk all fake when you're vlogging? You'll let you start again. You can just edit them together and do flashcards.
I know, I'm just trying to think how to phrase that. We're heading to Whistler for the weekend.
Prepare to keep left onto Highway 99.
Okay.